Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am unboxing something that I was not expecting to unbox at all. I was shopping in my local Dollarama and I came across this diamond painting. I have never seen them there. I've seen the small ones for kids, but I have never seen an actual diamond painting, so I have no idea what the quality is going to be, but I had to pick it up because I had to find out. In Canada here, the price was $4. I don't know if it would be different in the States, but I just wanted to show that to you. So, let's get into this. A Dollarama diamond painting? Like, what? So yes, very impromptu. Let's just open this baby up and see what it's all about and see what the quality is like. I'm interested. Are you guys interested? I don't know. So I'm just going to actually show you the thumbnail here really quickly. I thought this one actually didn't look, it looked fairly pretty, I thought, for a little 30 by 30. But we'll see when we look at the canvas, which you can see the canvas. Da-da-da. Let's see what it all comes with. Okay, so you've got your package of diamonds, or sorry, drills. Bad Don. Not bad. And then of course your green boat pink wax, and it's pretty light colored wax if I'm being honest, and a pink pen. So let's just get that out of the way. And let's turn this around. So I don't know if I said this already, but again, $4, 30 by 30 painting. I was actually really impressed with that. And honestly, let's just look at this really quick here. Like, you guys, it actually doesn't look that bad, really. So let's just take a look at that. There are 25 colors in here. It is super, super clear. Like, this canvas is so clear. I'm quite impressed. So neat. It has a little bit of sparkle in it. I don't know if you guys can catch that on film, but there is a bit of sparkle on it. That reminds me of like a Diamond Art Club or a Spell Queen canvas. Let's check the sticky. Very good sticky. It looks like, I'm just trying to look here. It does look like they use DMC codes, at least I think that's what I'm looking at. And the legend is numbers and letters. And they all look pretty good. I'm just trying to see if there's anyone that I'm going to have trouble with, and I don't think so. Wow, guys, not bad. So it says it's a 30 by 30. Let's just take a quick measure and see if they got that right. Da-da-da. So no. Well, I mean, I'm not surprised though. This is a 25 by, it always seems to be 25. So if I was to do like edge to edge, is it even 30? No, even edge to edge, it's not quite 30. I wonder why they don't just put like, well, that's 30. I don't know why they don't just put what the actual measurements are on it. I've always been very confused by that. And if anybody knows the answer, please leave it in the comments below. Like, why is it that they send you a painting that's 25 by 25, but they tell you it's 30 by 30? That just is weird to me. Anyways, still not complaining. I like this background. Let's take a quick look at the drills. From what I was looking at, the quality of them actually looked pretty good, but we'll take a close-up look here. Here's the crinkling, guys, sorry. So it's one long strip, and we'll just start over here. Let's see if I can raise the light up here so you guys can see it a bit better. So we've got some 310, and then we have some 317. The pretty slate blue is 518. Another kind of almost a little more tealy, wow, but still has that gray undertone. 597, 632, 645, 712, 779, 803, that's a nice navy color. And then there's more like what I think of when I think of a slate blue, I think. I don't know, sometimes they look different under my lights, and then when I see them when I'm editing, it's a completely different story. But that looks like a very kind of like grayish blue. But there's no divots in them. They're flat bottomed. Oh, there's one with a divot, but I mean, I'm not seeing a lot of it. The drills actually are not bad, you guys. So this one is 842, 902, and I'm just assuming that these are DMC. The 310, the black, look like a DMC. So I assume the rest of them are. 928, it's a pretty seafoam kind of color. Another gray blue, and 932. 938, it's like a chocolate brown, dark chocolate brown. 939 is a super like dark navy color. 3371, that one has a brown tinge to it too. 3750, another blue. 3752, 3765, lots of blues in this one, of course, with the blue flowers. 3808, that's a really nice color. And 3809, that's another nice color. 3842, 3864, and there are 2 packs of the 3866 clearly for the background. 25 is the X. But like, you guys, look, like the quality is really not bad. There's no ABs, which fine. I mean, not every painting has to have an AB. But again, like, wow. Let's just take a look, another look at the Dollarama. You did it. I will be very interested to do this one just to see what the quality is like at the end. And maybe I'll do it as a time lapse and show you guys. Well, no, this will be too big for a time lapse. Never mind. But wow, not bad. So for $4, you get a cute little diamond painting, the tools you need to get it going, and what more is there to say? Way to go, Dollarama. Wow, I was surprised. It's the first time Dollarama has surprised me. So wow, guys, like I said, this was going to be a really quick one. I just wanted to quickly show you what I found at Dollarama. I just came across it. I don't know, I just happened to be looking at the right place at the right time, because like I said, it was the last one there. I'll be interested to see if they come out with some other designs. But for $4, you can't beat it. I'm quite impressed, actually. The clarity is good. The stick factor is good. The drills look like they're in really decent shape. I mean, it's a budget kit. I'm curious to see what it's going to look like when it's finished. Not this month, though, because what did I say? This month is my catch-up month. But if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And then as well, subscribe to the channel if you have not already. And that's going to do it. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking it out with me. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have come across these yourself, and if there are different designs, definitely let me know. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. Hug your loved ones as always, and take care. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.